Hello, trading is closed on January 18th, 2017. Yesterday we had a MEJT target of 2270.17. That's this red line. I thought it might fail in case we gapped down, but I said if we didn't gap down under this low, the higher prices should print. So the gap under this low didn't happen. The higher prices print. The target to find the resistance area. It's always nice when the target's hit on the nose like this. It happens often, but of course there's nothing requiring it to stop there. Today's pattern was pretty much a consolidation, which is when the MEJT indicators really help. Here it says lower prices will print. Here's the target, support under it. It says that move is false, and we retrace. This one it said we would retrace to this white dot, which we did, support under the dot. And no new MEJT targets, so we have to use other stuff. Well, here's the gap down from the island reversal. Here's the first recovery high. We've been rallying from this low for over a day, and by the smallest fraction we still aren't able to trade over this high. In fact, we aren't able to trade over any of these highs going back to over 1 month ago, despite rallying for over a day. Time hasn't run out completely. We still could gap up tomorrow, but unless that happens, I think this is a negative pattern and lower prices. That's what I expect. This is the chart I showed yesterday. Note how we stopped right at the Fibonacci resistance. I had to play around with the count a little bit, but to me that's still an impulsive move down, consolidations, counter trend moves, tells me the trend is down. And I don't know if this is an ABC or what, but if that's wave C and that's wave A, there's a very nice Fibonacci relationship, and if that's the end, we're having this being wave 2 and then wave 3 down of multiple degree, which is not good. Once we break under today's low, that's a major break, and it would be have the potential to go a lot lower. But no matter how much lower it goes, I think the target I've been talking about is probably out of reach by Friday. If you're going to have a real tank, a bad one, and this doesn't print on Friday, I think you'll be disappointed. We could still drop, but not a big waterfall, gut-wrenching decline kind of drop. So for tomorrow, either we negate the negative consequences of a rally which fails to take out the high, negate it by gapping up tomorrow, or drop, and possibly sharply. The opening tells the story, and that's today's call.